You say hi? Say hi. Say, we were outside and you played in the water. Say hi. Whoop, whoop. No? You're all wet though. Hi everybody. Welcome to Homegrown Homestead. Now, let me get this out of my face. I just came from outside and I'll show you why. I have a short video because I got a big question. Do you like that? So we were out of town for the weekend and I'm cleaning some stuff up and pruning my tomato bushes, you know, airing them out and watering. And then I look and I knew we had some when we would come back. Check this out. I know I have more, but these are my biggest. Let me see. See that box of Kleenex there? Let me see if I can show you. They're as big as my box of Kleenex. So here is my short video because I have a big question. Are these worth saving? Meaning, can I can them? Can I eat them? Would they be woody? I mean, I'll try one, but then can I can them? Or are they way too far gone? So I'm really asking for some help here on this one, and anything you can let me know about, please leave in the comments. I have a big question. All right. Thank you. Have a great day. Yeah, I came in and I turned the air conditioner on. Whew. Did you cool off? Yeah? Okay. Say bye, Maggie. Bye.